welcome to my channel. Open Sala White Soup. The most important part of cooking this chicken is with lemon. You wash, I've soaked it in lemon water. See all the scums. See how dingy the water is now. I'm going to rinse it out. Yeah, see how dingy it is. Yeah, that's all the dirt the lemon water brought out. So I'm going to rinse it out until it's clear. Then we're going to start our cooking. Yep. Okay, we have a properly clean chicken in this big pot. Clean. So it's going to be a slow cook. So what I'm going to add right now, adding bay leaves in it. Adding curry powder. Curry. This is the curry powder I'm using. Right, thyme. Adding thyme. Thyme leaves. Good. Dry thyme. Cook it. I'm adding salt, seasoned salt. Just a little bit. Yeah, that's it. And I'm gonna add other ingredients in a minute. Is that not beautiful? Look at it. Look at she. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, why are you putting carrot in meat chicken stock? It brings out the sweetness in the chicken. That's why. You would never understand. They are onion family. They are baby onion brother and sister. But you have to wash them a lot. Look at the water, because it always has sand. Plenty of water. Wash it. Rinse the sand out, or you're going to be crunching, having very crunchy sand in your food. You don't need all that. So put leeks, different vibe. I'm putting large onions, putting white onion in it, and then ginger. See ginger? Ginger. Scrape the body of the ginger and put ginger in it. Everything is in here. Woo! Loaded. Yes, sir. Loaded. In it. And I'm going to leave it to simmer. I'm going to wash this spoon because chicken is still raw. You know what the story is with salmonella. So I'm going to leave it to slowly simmer. Actually leave it very, very low heat for about 6 hours. I want the stock. Woo! I want it to be liquid gold. By the time we are done, by the time it's done, by the time this madam is done, it's going to be liquid gold. Liquid gold. And it's good to go. I will actually show you an example. Okay, the plate. The plate to press. This is rice. When we were little, my mom used to do this for my baby sister. This is rice, and you just pour this gold on it, and that will be her lunch. Yum. That was her lunch. She poured this delicious stock on the rice, and while we're waiting for the food to cook so she will eat. And I have the plate underneath, and here it goes. So this is how I'm going to start getting it out. You just start getting it out little by just scoop it out. Scoop it out, Scooby-Dooby-Doo. So I got it now. This is the whole stock. You guys see how shiny, shimmery? This is how it's supposed to be. This is pure gold. I'm gonna let it settle down and let the fat come on top, and then I'll show you guys when it cools down. How you doing? There's the fat. This fat, you could easily use it to bake, to fry eggs in the morning. See, all the things that would have gone with us. This fat, this pure fat. This is peppercorn, black peppercorn medley. This one here is a full calabash, nutmeg. Without this, the pepper soup, you will not get the real pepper soup. These herbs are very bitter, but they give something in that pepper soup, that bitter note. It's called otazize. They are dried herbs, and these are oda. This is oda, meaning this cleans up your reproductive part of you, womb. All balances, spicy, duft, note of bitterness to balance the sweetness of all the veggies that will be coming there, and this to cleanse the productive. Boom. Boom. Blended. This is pepper soup. Original pepper soup ingredients. Whew, our liquid gold. Do you guys see how shimmering? This is it. This is it. This is it. Chicken stock. I know I'm being obsessed about this, darling. Now it's assembling times. Look at the fat I removed. See, it's melted now. We're going to use it for something else. We don't need that today. Thoroughly rinse. That's delicious croaker. I have 2 medium croakers here cut without their head, of course, and lemon. Wash it thoroughly in lemon water. Lemon. Yes, ma'am. Rinse it, wash it very well. Add a little bit of salt and wash it really good until the water turns clear. Fish that we washed yesterday. Dried fish on top. Smoked fish. Gazpacho. This is the garnish for the gazpacho. Boom! Boom! Pepper and celery leaves. Garnish. And that, darling, is my gazpacho. Woo! Woo! Celery stalk, organic carrots, garlic cloves. With special permission from my ancestors, I added her. Special permission. This is ginger. I just peeled it. A big finger of ginger, 1 big onion, and 1 small white onion. Boom! Boom! The garnish for our gazpacho. Boom! Wow! Boom! It's happening. Woo! Piemontite! Vegetable juice go in. This is just juice from all those vegetables. So I'm reserving this for almost the end. Okay, it's going in. Then I have cooked goat meat. I have okporoko for deeper umami. Cooked goat meat. deep as possible. So deep. Deeper and deeper. I don't want any debris. I want it to be clear soup. Clear. So clear you can see your shadow in it. Okay. Now, the real important part of this soup, pepper soup ingredients that we blended earlier on, I've put them in the water. I have put them in the water to rehydrate, in hot water to rehydrate. So there we go. Pepper soup, all those pepper soup ingredients. See what I'm passing everything through the zip, because I want the soup to be so clear that you can see your image through it. So clear. I don't want anything mucking it up. Clear. No jaga jaga inside. The only thing I'm seeing there is your task that I put there on purpose. And now we're gonna cover and let it cook, darling. Yeah, let it cook. Cover. Igbali no fe, Igbali no fe, timpoko timpom, Igbali no fe. Somebody please put in the comment section, why do we call ofe nsala white soup? Apart from the fact that there's no oil in it, not to talk of no palm oil in it. Is that why? Somebody just write, why do we call this white soup? YouTube that's against me. God is against you too. Okay, so now the herbs, celery leaves and pepper, habanero peppers. This is not pepper soup is gonna come up. I chopped it because I want it to look beautiful. So this is my final decoration. So I want those little peppers to peep out from time to time and show themselves worthy. Okay, so now I'm gonna dish out. It's perfect now. Do you see how beautiful? Oh, God, Lord have mercy. So looks like party time. Whew. This looks beautiful. It's hot though. Nsala for real. I took this soup less than 2 days. I was healed. It's a miracle soup. Oh. Yeah. Comment on the comment section if you want me to send you privately all the recipes step by step. Anyway, if you watch it, you can actually do it yourself. I trust you guys. Vielen Dank. Tschüss, bis bald. I'm getting better. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus.